Hello, everybody. My name is Jagmohan Singh Rishi. I'm a leadership coach and a digital mentor, currently working with Wockhardt as a global head learning and development and digital experiences. The topic which I'm going to focus on, what is the new normal and how organizations are planning to cope up with that. Before I begin, I'm sure that I find you safe and sound along with your family members at home. So stay safe and of course, stay energized also in these challenging times. But before that, I would like to understand that, these challenging times have been, putting a lot of challenges within the families as well as the corporates also. So my only suggestion has been always that keep the mental balance proper, be it in a corporate world or be it in the family. And what we are trying here is that we are focusing on purpose-driven, authentic conversations. Once again, I repeat it, we focus on purpose-driven, authentic conversations in this new normal. There is a change the way people are working from home. There's a change in which the employees are meeting the customers in a virtual world. So we have to be very, very clear from the organization's perspective that what is our purpose in order to, provide customer service and customer delight in these times. We also ensure that we focus on customer empathy in these times so that we do not unnecessarily disturb the customers and disturb their peace of mind, of course. So conversations can be conversations can be around people, conversations can be around data, conversations can be around practices, conversations can be around insights also. So in this new normal, I always advise, and I personally believe that we need to develop new habits, the new competencies, to learn one skill every week. So that will be helping us out. I'm not saying one skill every day, although it is possible because the technology is there. But technology should not overtake the human sensitivities. So we should focus on mental operating system versus the technology operating system, friends. From the customer point of view also, we have to upgrade our systems and processes and the human values in such a way that the customer gets the truth in the customer journey. We should not overpromise. And that is what I will say from the organization's perspective. A stats which I just read from the McKinsey is that it took 11 years, almost 11 to 15 years to get a market share of 10 to 11% for the e-commerce. But today, within 4 months in US, the e-commerce business has reached 25%. The same is true for rest of the part of the world also, including India. So if it is gone to that particular levels, it is not going to suddenly drop after COVID. And COVID is not going to go away suddenly. So we have to adapt to those practices, the new normals, the new skills, the new competencies. So it is pertinent for us that we personalize, give accessibility to the customer, at the same time give convenience. And for that, there is one word I always emphasize, that is freedom. Freedom for employees, freedom for customers to choose. And at the same time, the employees have to show accountability and ownership in this new normal so that the bigger vision, the bigger deliverables are in sync with the organizations, my friend. Whole objective is that we have to spread smiles across. And I believe all these aspects were covered. I did not start with that. All these aspects were covered in my book, Are You Digital Dinosaur, which was launched, before the COVID pandemic. And it is doing very well, particularly during these days, an amazing bestseller. And covered in this aspect that how corporates can, adapt to the scenarios of COVID, and where there is an issue of reaching to the customers. There is an issue of employees reaching to the office, so working from home. So we have to find out new normals, new rules, but at the same time, we have to ensure that we spread smiles and we keep our mental balance in control. Wishing you all the best. Look forward to many such stories from your side. Have a nice day.